a HIIT workout, which is high intensity interval training. I personally love this HIIT workouts because they boost up your metabolism, they boost up your energy, calories, and they help you burn calories for the next 24 to 48 hours. Yes, that's right. So the workout that I'm going to do is 30 seconds on treadmill, 30 seconds of body weight training, which is going to include jumping squats, jumping lunges, and some more exercise. So let's get started.
So as I told you, this is a high intensity workout. I want you to choose the speed that is challenging for you, little more higher than the speed you always normally do. We're gonna start with 30-second sprint, and then I'm jumping off the treadmill, but be very careful while doing that because you don't want to hurt yourself. We are gonna go on to doing 10 jumping squats for the love of pure booty, obviously. Once we're done with that, hop back onto the treadmill and do another 30-second sprint. 30-second sprint is really important because you don't want your heart rate to go down and just boost it up. So 30-second sprint, and then carefully jump off and do 10 jumping lunges on both sides. Go ahead and sip onto some water or energy drink, whatever you prefer. I always have my CR7. It's an energy drink from Herbalife, and it gives me all the energy to work out. It's really good. So yes, back to treadmill, 30-second sprint, and then off. Okay, so this is the final exercise of this whole set. What we're doing here is side to side single leg squats, 10 on each side, and these are really effective and your glutes are gonna be on fire. So yes, do this and that's it. You are good to go. Enjoy.
So that was a killing workout. All you need to do is 3 sets of those with 10 seconds of interval, and that is it, guys. You're gonna burn calories for the next 24 to 48 hours. You just need 10 minutes in your entire